Just a little bit to have a little bit fun with Yama. As you see Yama right here.
I didn't even know that those either coming at me.
Yama is not wearing his gloves, me too. Right Yama? So it's too much snow.
Wait, can I just push myself right in their back?
It's up to you, man. But be careful, okay? And it's gonna be a free fall for me. Oh wow.
I'm going back. And another frog!
Yama, toys and daddy!
Guys, you know what? We got a lot of snow today. It started like from last night and still it's snowing. Let me show you guys how much snow we got. This is crazy. You know, the bus got stuck. The cars are stuck. You see the bus? It's been like more than 2 hours that bus is stuck in the snow. And there's another one right there. And there's another one right here. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. Let's go outside. You see? Still it's snowing. Oh, I cannot believe this. Let's go outside and find out more about this snowy day. Oh, guys. So I'm outside right now. The snow is still falling, pouring down, you know. Oh gosh. Wow, this is crazy. Oh. Look at this car, look at this car, look at this car. This is crazy. Oh my god. It almost hit that bus. Look. He's driving like crazy. Whoa. That's no good. That's no good right there. Oh wow. That truck was so powerful. Oh my god. Guys, this is crazy. And Yama just got out. Look at Yama.
It's time to dig.
Yama,
Like
look
last
at me.
time.
Yama loves this, right Yama? What are you doing, Yama?
I'm digging myself.
Oh no, not with your hands. Not with your hands, Yama.
Oh, 1 second.
Shovel, where is your shovel? You gotta bring your shovel, man. So guys, this is actually the third day. Earlier the video you saw, it was the first day of snow falling. It was a huge snow falling. It was like too much, you know. Now this is not the second day. This is actually the fourth day, right? So that's why we got out just a little bit to have a little bit fun with Yama. As you see Yama right here.
I didn't even know that those either coming at me.
Yama is not wearing his gloves, me too. Right Yama? So it's too much snow.
Wait, can I just push myself right in their back?
It's up to you, man. But be careful, okay? And it's gonna be a free fall for me. Oh wow.
I'm going back. And another frog!
This feels so comfortable.
And now how do I get out?
I feel like I'm in the bed. Oh my god. It's cold. Oh my god. It's so cold. Oh my god, it's like a nightmare. Look at me. Oh my god. I'm Oh my god. I'm full of snow.
Ow.
I'm full of snow.
Miss. Ow.
Yama. This is too much snow. I gotta go inside, change my clothes, you know, before I get wet. But there's too much snow. Thank you guys for watching. Keep watching Yama and Daddy, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Yama, toys, and daddy.